this is Yvonne from Funny Faces and More by Yvonne with another unboxing video. Okay, so I couldn't wait till the beginning of next month to do this because I am just always super excited to receive packages from Miss Kandy of Kandy's Party Arts, Kandy's Creations, okay? I will link her Etsy shop information down below in the description box so that you can go ahead and visit her page and buy all of this awesome stuff that we're going to be showcasing today. So thank you so much, Miss Kandy for sponsoring this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've got my package. So just to let you know, her packaging is pink. So pink is pretty. Yes, it is. And if you'll excuse me, the side's a little bit swollen. I just had some oral surgery done yesterday, so I apologize if I'm talking funny, but I'm trying not to open my mouth too much. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I'm gonna use some scissors here. This is a real unboxing. Like, I have not opened up this package. And I am so excited. I literally just got it out of the mailbox. So I couldn't wait, and I wanted to go ahead and open it up and do this video right away so I can start editing and post it and, you know, show you guys all these awesome things. And here we go. We're going to pull it out of the box. Wow. And then it always comes in this nice little jewelry box, and it says there, Kandy's Party Art. It has their email address, and it says face and body painting, personalized party decor, and more. So let's go ahead and open it up, and let's see. Oh my goodness! Look at all this stuff! Yay! So let's go ahead and check it out one by one, okay? So first off, I'm so excited for these, and this looks like one of my rainbow cakes that I have. So look at these earrings, you guys. Aren't those super cute? Let me see if I can find that rainbow cake. It kind of looks like these colors. Then I have another one, so very similar to these colors. She asked me what kind of colors I liked, and I said basically anything neon or, you know, anything mermaid is what I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. So let me take off my earrings here, and I'm gonna put these on so you can kind of see where these earrings where they fall, because I know it's very important to see size wise, you know, what you're working with here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on, and let's see. So there we go. That's what you're looking at, size comparison. So super cute. You could definitely wear it. I mean, I love to wear colorful stuff all the time. So not just for face painting, I would wear it every day. And then, oh my gosh, I said, you know what? Wouldn't it be nice if we had some clips to kind of, you know, get our hair out of the way when we're face painting? And she's like, you know what? Let me see what I can come up with. And so check this out. This is a cute little alligator clip. So you can use this when you're doing your own tutorials. If you wanted to put it on somebody else while they're sitting in your chair, you could. But essentially, let me see, I would put it this way. You go ahead and clip it back. It's an alligator clip, and you've got your hair out of the way, man. Look at that. Super cute. So then when you're doing an eye design, you know, the hair's out of the way. So that's super cool. Let's see the next item that we have here. Ooh, we have another little alligator clip, and this one has mermaid colors. So she's like, send me the ones you like. Like I said, I did. And it looks almost exactly like this arty cake that I sent her. So super cool. And then I'm just gonna put this one on the other side. Again, like I said, these are super neat because it gets your hair out of the way, you know? Super cute. I love it. Also, let's see what else we got here. We got a super awesome keychain. Look at that little artist palette with all the little colors. Look at that bling. See if you guys can see all that detail there. That's super awesome. Definitely something I'll treasure and put on my keychain right away. So I'm super happy with the stuff that I got in this little package today. Miss Kandy Jin, thank you so much. You are so amazing. I can definitely tell you that there's so many of us artists out there that would love to have a pair of these or one of these alligator clips to keep our hair out of the way, or just to wear it to an event. I mean, it's super cute. You definitely want to be set aside from the rest and look colorful and look fun, because that's what the kiddos are going to look for. So I'm going to link, like I said, all of the information down below in the description box. I thank you so much for watching this unboxing video, and happy painting. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, let me know where you're from. Have a great day. Bye.